Hello everyone, my name is Esther. I'm a content creator based in Zurich, Switzerland. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. So today I want to tell you a true story, something that happened to me today, and I decided to drop this video today. And I'm doing it because it get as if they do me, but not true story. Na true story, na true story, na true story. This one, as in a serious issue. Welcome. Hey guys, so welcome once again. So this week, I had a lot to do. I had every excuse to be in an office on Monday, to be in another office on Tuesday, to have an appointment on Wednesday. So what I did was I kind of schedule all the appointment for today, Wednesday, so that once I dash out for the runs, I will just take out time to do everything. So first appointment was I had to drop the kids off in school. Regular, the kids are back in school. Then I went to an office, and it's in regard to the kids. I went for a consultation to ask 1 or 2 questions concerning the kids. And afterwards, I was supposed to meet up with some ladies. Yes, it's a group of ladies, and we have something in common. All of us are trying to lose weight. We're trying to keep in shape. So we decided to meet up in town. But I didn't have the good address. So on my way, I kept calling that they should send me the address, or I should meet them somewhere. Somehow, my phone just switched off in town. Just about 5 minutes to the place I was going, and I was trying to confirm the telephone number. My phone switched off. Oh my God, I was so pissed. Like, how do you tell somebody to send you a simple address for 2 days, and the person just say, when you are coming, just call me, I will send you address. Anyway, I won't blame the lady. I blame myself for not charging my phone, or let's say for running the battery down. Now, fast forward, while I was waiting for the lady's correspondent, a guy, I was just on my phone by the side of the street, and a guy, an Indian guy, or a Tamilish, but just know that the person looks like an Indian person. The person came and said, "Hello, sister. How are you?" I said, "I'm fine." He said, "Sister, your future is bright." I said, "Oh, thank you. You are a very happy person." "Ah, thank you. You have a very bright future. This year, you are going to experience 3 massive successes." By this time, I already started feeling like, okay, scammer in another color, because I already know my future is bright. Or you that are watching me, don't you know that your future is bright? Do you need a prophet to tell you that your future is bright? Okay, if you need a prophet to tell you that your future is bright, let me tell you that your future is bright. I've been praying since for Hallelujah Challenge. I'm expecting big things. I didn't need a prophet to remind me before I know that I have to expect big things. And here is a Tamilish man or an Indian fellow telling me that my future is bright. Okay, first of all, I receive it with all gladness. Then say you are a happy person. That's not if you know Esther, to be a happy person is not a prophecy. It could be a prophecy for somebody else. For me, I didn't get excited about that, because that's who I am. Like I would say, this is a happy place and a joyful zone. It's what I represent all this while. And then the last one that just pissed me off, he kept saying, "Yeah, you have experienced not so good relationship all this while, but now things are going to be better. Things are going to." By now, I'm already like, okay, can you start moving? Then I just threw my face away from him. Then he said, "Oh, sister, can you just give me 2 or 3 minutes? Let me tell you more about your future." Then I said, "I'm not interested, thank you." And then he goes, "Okay, so but please, sister, can you give your brother something to eat?" Then I said, "I didn't cut out for that, so I wasn't expecting that I will see you. I'm sorry." Okay, but if I can give you my number. By this time, I was already walking away. So why did I decide to do this video? It's already bad enough that the Stephanie Otobo case is still coming out. I was still thinking how I'm going to do a video about that, and now I'm experiencing that somebody wants to scam me in my own city. TNT, yo. Hey. This is how they go scamming people. So my people, fake prophets are not only in Nigeria, they are everywhere. They are in Switzerland, they are in UK, they are in America. Yes, I heard that they have babalawos in America. And if you don't know what babalawos are They're not herbalists, because we always mistake herbalists and babalawo. Herbalists are people that deals with herb. They believe in herbs. They believe in, using herbs to treat. Those are herbalists. Babalawos are fake prophets. That's even though they are in churches, they can be babalawo, because we've seen cases. I watched a film one time. A pastor is always putting on the suit, but underneath his suit are all those traditional fetish cowries. So they can be everywhere. So people, shine your eye. If I was desperate for a miracle this morning now, and I saw that guy, will I not now say, oh, come and tell me about my future? Telling me that my future is bright. Like, I don't know. My future is bright, like brighter than the star. Or telling me that I am an happy person. Is that even a prophecy? Or you want to tell me that friends have disappointed me? Friends disappoint us every day. We have issues with family every day. That's not a prophecy. People will be prophesying. They will say your mother is a witch. They will say you're something. Those things are things that happen every day. Even if that's so, people should not be prophesying that to you. When the man left me, I was just thinking about Stephanie Otobo again. Guys, I don't know if I will have time to do another live video. This time, Stephanie Otobo is back, and this girl is back like she never left. Because now she's coming out to say that if I talk, they trouble me. If I don't talk, they trouble me. That's why I always say that when you start saying that, Esther, you're not sure if they are telling the truth. Maybe they are lying. No, people cannot be lying, because these people, they are walking corpse as it is. Do you know what these people are going through? Physically, psychologically, you can't trust anybody, because if they see you close to a friend, they can use that your friend against you. Stephanie Otobo even went as far as telling us how the uncle, how they almost used his uncle to take her out. Enaka said the same thing. They will want, if they see that the person is coming out to confess, they will try to manipulate the person and let it seem as if the person is mad. Stephanie Otobo is repeating the same thing. This video is not even about Pastor Suleiman, but rather I'm talking about we as a people now and Stephanie Otobo. So before you start saying that those girls, they don't know what they are saying, they know what they are saying. Please put yourself in their shoe. It's so wrong. It's so wrong. That's how people, shine your eye. I almost got scammed in the city of Winterthur, Zurich, Switzerland, by a Timilish man. At the end of the day, after prophesying prophecy to me, now tell me to come and give me money to eat. Oga, get into the restaurant and work. Go and sweep the streets. Just do something with your life. Imagine. Do you know that? I don't know. I don't want to make, because I'm coming back for the real video of Stephanie Otobo and Pastor Suleiman. Honestly, I'm coming back for that. But this is the story of how I almost got scammed. So when the man was now leaving, I was already, before you know it, my phone just went off. I was so angry. So I couldn't meet up with the ladies I was supposed to go and meet. And I was just pissed off. So what I did was, I just looked for a restaurant around. There's a restaurant I used to go to. They call it Smiley Fish. It's around the city. I just walk into that restaurant. And luckily for me, this restaurant used to be like, for lunch, you just pay a particular amount. But because of the COVID and everything, now it's serve yourself with plus 3 francs. So normally it used to be 16.50. Now it's 19.90. But you can eat whatever you like. So I just went there and I was able to charge my phone and I ate to the fullest. I took out time to just refresh my memory. And I started thinking again, this is how they scam people in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Togo, in India, in every part of the world. So guys, don't be fooled. Don't let people start telling you things that you know already. So long you are humans, there are some things you have to deal with. If a friend misbehaves, it doesn't mean that your friend is the Satan. So when you are praying, is that your friend you are seeing in your prayer? No, the devil is out to use people. You don't make yourself be used, unless they will use you. The devil will use you. People will use you. They will scam you. They will scammers. So scammers are everywhere. I just thought to stop by to let you know. And for the Stephanie Otobo story, I'm cooking it. We are coming. They are claiming videos that how many videos they go fit them? How many videos they go fit them? They go claim video tire. Stephanie Otobo is back. All the soldiers, make una get ready, and nobody can kill Stephanie Otobo in Jesus' name. Enaka will not die. Every woman that have gone through any form of shackles under that ministry, they will not die. But for those going to that ministry, please shine your eye. It doesn't mean that I hate Apostle. Like I said, I'm from Edo State, Auchi. So it's even paining me that Auchi has to be in the news for the very wrong reason. We are also praying for him. And it doesn't even take anything. Just say, I give up on this. I'm not doing again. And stop manipulating people, killing people, doing all sorts of things to people. Come on, people, shine your eye. Let's start using those brains. God has given us brains. So anything anybody tells you, a prophecy, double check it. If I was so desperate for a miracle this morning, honestly, that guy for scam me. I would have become a candidate of a scam. So this is why I stopped by to let you know that going forward, I don't want to hear that any other person has been scammed. They almost scammed me in Switzerland. Hey, Bundesrat must hear this. Anyway, if you are coming to this, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther, and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. It's a happy place and a joyful zone. So when somebody tells me, oh, you're a happy person, you're just complimenting what I know. It's not a prophecy. I'm still saying it's a Wednesday, still expect a big thing, because big thing is about to happen. So please like the video, leave me a comment. I love to read your comment, and share the video out if you like it that much. I will appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. It's your girl, Esther.
Share you go comment, oh yeah. My father comment, oh yeah. Share you go subscribe, oh, and make sure you like, oh, drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Esther Scroll.